Y'all can't see Jordy, but she got her drone out here. Hit the button, Jordy. The forward button. No, yeah, on that one. No. On your joystick. Hit it. No, this. Hit it forward. It's gonna turn it. She got her drone. Now go on up with it. Keep your directional buttons. Let it down. It's gonna stop, cause I don't know how to fly no drone. I just wanted y'all to see it. Get back. I just wanted y'all to see it while it was hold on. I just wanted y'all to see it while it was that it worked and all that right there. Cause I'm gonna have to let somebody else gonna have to do this. Cause we by this house, we by these trees. I'm gonna be to tow that joint up, man, before we even get it before we even get it going good. But it's
I still gotta do this today.
Yeah. It's Nahime?
Yeah, mama trying to.
You got a camera on and everything though.
Nahime?
You got a camera on it?
Turn it off.
Yeah, turn it on. I just wanted y'all to see it going up, working and things like that. Yeah, turn it off. Yeah, and we out.
Yo, good morning. We're back, man. First of all, let me say I know y'all appreciate this right here a whole lot, man. I'm back on my other camera. I'm back on the Canon, man. The GoPro, I don't know what's going on with it, but it's making my sound, making my audio muffled, and I don't know why, but yeah. But today, man, we are taking out Big Berry, man. Trying to take Big Berry out on the streets today, man. There's no particular reason. Just we ain't drove it in a while, and I said, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and take her out. Take her outside. So let me get myself together with that and get ready to put her out in the streets, man. What else? I don't think it's nothing else. Be ready to put Big Berry out. Be ready to put Big Berry out in the street. So let me move these cars around, and we'll come back. At the first place we gotta go, man, is the gas station. Cause we put it when Ashley put it back, she put it back on E. So yeah, gotta get that done first. So yeah, let me go and move these jumps around. Y'all back. Yeah, man, we in Big Berry. Big Berry. And yeah, I'll take her to the workhouse. She ain't doing nothing else, sitting at the house, not doing nothing. So yeah, she can go outside today. She ain't doing nothing. I gotta get a few things for Big Berry too, man. I gotta get a backup camera. I gotta get these other speaker adapters, mounting adapters, and I gotta get, what else I gotta get? The amp, the wiring kit. Some necessity stuff that I ain't no necessity stuff. I think that's it. And I think I'm gonna start messing with the suspension on her, man, cause she kind of wobbly like, so start messing with these trailing arms and control arms and stuff and all that, man. See why she's so wobbly. Yeah. But anyway, man, nothing special going on today as far as right now, man. You know what I'm saying? Other than, man, we in Big Berry. That boy got some LEDs on that thing. Good God. Yeah, man. Headed in early, man. It's 6:14. This is not my usual. I ain't trying to get to work. But I ain't trying to get up like this, but man, it's like I said, man, I'm working to get up out of here, man. So I'm doing it right now, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get it on so I can get up out of here. So I can't have no excuses as to why I'm in a position I'm in. Or why? Or man, somebody doing me like this or somebody doing me like that. Nah, we ain't finna have them excuses no more. Because it's gonna be solely on me. It's gonna be off my back. Off my motivation, off my grind, off my drive, my ambition. Y'all get the picture, you know what I'm saying? So, scoot on up here to the workhouse, man, and something interesting comes about today, then go ahead and pick the camera up, man. Y'all know how it go. Y'all know how it go. Boy, I done ate this memory card up. This Johnson, I got 10 minutes left on this time. Cold game. But yeah, man, we still in the G, man, and got all work. I ain't doing nothing spectacular still. Bree wanna go to a football game. I really don't want to. I really don't. But I don't know, it ain't no buts. I don't want to. I don't want to be around these kids. I don't want to. I just don't want to deal with it. Like, I don't. These little fuckers, excuse my language, man, make you do something to them. I'm tired of my, oh my God, dude, really? I ain't, man. I could have been gone. This dude said he want to turn. But yeah, man. So I don't know. If I do go to the game, I might get a little footage of it, man. And I'm gonna have to use that GoPro again, cause I ain't gonna take this camera. It's too big. I ain't gonna take that one. So I ain't gonna take this one. So I really need to figure out like what's going on with my audio on that camera, cause why is it so muffled? Oh, CJ. CJ, they might be finna get you. Oh, police coming through there. Fine, man. I've been sitting at this intersection for the longest. I could have been gone, but dude wanna sit here and But anyway, like I said, man, if I go to the game, I might pick the camera up, man. It's gonna be the GoPro though, and if not, then I'll probably find something to do at the house. Smoke me a cigar or something. Well, I'm probably smoke a cigar either way. Either tomorrow, either at the game or in the garage. I don't know, but it's gonna be a session either way. Yeah, man, let me scoot on over here and grab him right fast, and I hit y'all bike. Yo, good morning. This how I'm supposed to be holding the camera. This what y'all saying I'm supposed to be holding the camera like this. Like this. Man, what's happening? We right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Good morning. Good morning to all. And to all the good morning. We are back with another one of them things. Did I show y'all this? Did I show y'all that? I don't even remember if I showed y'all this or not. But yeah, man, that's what my daughters got me for my birthday, man. Ain't in Maine Avenue. Y'all know what's going on. It's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't in Maine himself. And we up in this thing, man. Hey, look, we did not get a chance to go to the football game last night. That's just something that I didn't. Well, we ain't gotta get into all that. We didn't go. You know what I'm saying? Oh, as y'all can see, man, I got my tunnel in on this side. So I reached my goal. So I put this is my final stretching right here. That's it. Ain't no more after this. But I had the taper in, but in this ear, it was kind of like it was folding my ear, like it was falling in or something. Like the tape, this taper is heavy. It's like almost like a paperweight. So it's heavy in my ear. This one probably gonna eventually do it, but this one new, it's fresh, so it's not really just going all the way through yet. But that one had been in for a couple weeks, so I went ahead on, took it out yesterday, cleaned up everything, and put my tunnel in, man. So this one will probably be once it start doing it, I'll go ahead and put the tunnel in. But yeah, man, I'm at a 00 gauge, and yeah, that's it. That's where we stopping. That's where we stopping. I ain't going no bigger, cause these double zeros, man, these jumps hurt. Trying to persuade my ears to take these. That hurt, dog. I ain't gonna even lie to you. That hurt.